Okay, I shouldn't. What? I'm not supposed to take the highway here to where I'm planning to go. I need to stick on this sub road and never take highway. I want a spice of my life, man. It's too routine. It's too routine, if you can say so. If you take 7 days of my life, it's same 7 days over and over. If you take 1 month of it, it's same 1 month over and over. Everything fits in the same cycle. A bigger cycle is the same, smaller cycle is the same. If you take my day also, it is more or less the same. Very boring. I'm not usually the boring kind, but that is what I've been doing these days. Because of that, I'm not taking interest in so many things. I keep on fitting into that pattern. We used to go to regular sunrises, sunsets. Those are not happening these days. Also, my friend circle, they are not being that much interested in rides. One guy don't have a good bike. One guy do have a good bike, but he can't come to a long ride for a weekend because he has other commitments on weekend. And one guy, even though he can, he's completely ignoring and skipping all the weekends. So it is just being me. And I'm usually not a lonely guy. If I were to go to a place, I will go usually with my friends. I never traveled alone. I mean, not for these kind of things. So it's being difficult for me. Maybe I had to do that. Road is good. Maybe I had to chase the things alone. It's a sad thought altogether. There are two things I can do now. Either I have to do everything alone or find a good riding group. It's hard to find a good riding group, especially in my town, because most of these guys, they're not that into riding, and even though they do it very, very occasionally, not every weekend or something. They do it like once or twice a year. And also they have their own batches, right? They have their own riding buddies they have been riding with for ages, or they may be their classmates or something. It's hard to make friends when you're older. If you're a young guy, then you can just go and talk to any guy and you know what, let's go to somewhere. You can plan things like that, but now you can still do that, but it will be kind of off thing. Don't come back. Okay. There is this guy. He is good. He has a Adventure 390, but I don't know if he is I don't know what he usually do in his weekend. Maybe I have to ask him. And also he's not into vlogging and all. He's also not into taking photos also. But he is good. Or I can do another thing. I have to change this town and move to another town and make some friends and go right there. I'll change the state altogether. It is a possibility. You know, you might be thinking he's just saying all the stuff, but no, I'm not. It is a possibility. It may happen. Who knows?